Are you ready to elevate your design game? Whether you're a pro graphic designer or just starting your creative journey, choosing the right software can make all the difference. In today's video, we're counting down the top 7 best graphic designing softwares you should consider. Let's dive in. At number 7, Adobe Photoshop. The OG of graphic design tools, Photoshop is perfect for photo editing, digital painting, and pixel-based designs. Its advanced tools like layer masking, retouching, and brush customization make it a must-have for professionals. While it's a bit pricey, the creative freedom it offers is worth every penny. At number 6, Canva. If simplicity is your priority, Canva is your best friend. It's ideal for beginners or anyone creating quick designs like social media posts, flyers, or presentations. With its massive library of templates and a free plan, it's perfect for non-designers looking to create stunning visuals without a steep learning curve. At number 5, Figma. Calling all UI/UX designers. Figma is a cloud-based design tool that's all about collaboration. Work on web or app designs with your team in real time. Its versatility and prototyping features make it a go-to for product design. Oh, and it's free to start. Next at number 4, Adobe Illustrator. For vector design enthusiasts, Illustrator is the industry leader. Create logos, icons, and scalable graphics without losing quality. Its precision and advanced vector tools make it the ultimate choice for illustrators and graphic designers who aim for perfection. Number 3, Corel Draw. A favorite among professional designers, Corel Draw is a powerhouse for vector graphics and layout design. Its intuitive interface and affordability compared to Adobe products make it a strong contender, especially for creating logos and marketing materials. Number 2, Procreate. Made exclusively for iPad users, Procreate is a game-changer for digital artists. With an impressive selection of brushes, smooth performance, and a one-time affordable price, it's a dream for anyone who loves to create on the go. And at number 1, Affinity Designer. Known as a budget-friendly alternative to Illustrator, Affinity Designer packs a punch with advanced vector and raster design tools. It's available for a one-time fee, making it perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike without breaking the bank. That wraps up our list of the top 7 graphic designing softwares. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative content. Until next time, happy designing.